This video will introduce some tips that will help you to effectively and efficiently search library research databases like a pro. These 4 strategies will make you a super searcher: Boolean, phrase searching, proximity operators, and truncation. Boolean logic, named for mathematician George Boole, is the basic logic used by every computer program to retrieve search results. In its simplest form, it consists of combining search terms using and, or, and not. Use and to combine your search terms if you want your results to contain multiple concepts, or if you want to narrow your search to a particular aspect of a topic. Use or to combine your search terms if your search term has synonyms or near synonyms that you want to include in the search, if you want to include broader or narrower terms in your search, or if your keyword has a common acronym that you want to include in the search. A search for cats or dogs tells the computer that you want any articles that are about cats and any articles that are about dogs and any articles that mention cats and dogs. Notice that this brings back more results than an and search, which tells the computer that you only want to see articles that are about both cats and dogs. Use not to combine your search terms if you want to exclude one possible context of your keyword. For example, searching Windows not Microsoft will bring back articles that are about the kind of windows that are in your house or your car, but not those that are about the Microsoft operating system. Quotation marks are useful when searching multi-word phrases. For example, searching for death penalty without quotation marks would bring back all articles that include the word death and all articles that include the word penalty. But with quotation marks, your results will be limited to those articles that include the phrase death penalty. You can use quotation marks when searching for phrases, proper names, hyphenated words, slogans, famous quotes, or titles. One thing to note, without quotation marks, many search engines will automatically place an and between search terms. Imagine searching for the phrase to be or not to be, but forgetting your quotation marks. You would actually be searching for to and be and not, to and be and, or and, not and, to and be. Very confusing. Proximity operators instruct the search engine or database to search for the term or terms within some defined location to each other, usually based on some amount of words in the document. Consult the help file in whatever database you're using to find out what proximity operators it offers. Some common proximity operators are listed here. Depending on the database, you can use the near or within proximity operators to tell the database to look for your 2 search terms near each other within a certain number of words. For example, television into violence would look for the word violence within 2 words of the word television. The proximity operators before or after tell the database that you want one of your search terms to show up before or after the other. For example, a search for elementary before education or education after elementary would tell the database that you're looking for information about elementary education. Truncation allows you to search for all the variations of a word at once using the asterisk symbol. For example, searching metamorph asterisk would bring back search results including the terms metamorphosis, metamorphic, metamorphism, and metamorphose. Wildcards allow you to search for variations of words in which an internal letter is changed. For example, woman versus women, in which the second to last letter is different. To recap, here are the advanced search strategies we have covered. Instead of typing in a whole question, use Boolean operators and, or, and not to combine keywords. Combine keyword phrases with quotation marks. Use truncation and wildcard to find different forms of a root word. And always being sure to check the database for what is allowed, use proximity operators to indicate the words should be near each other in the search results. Remember, not every database allows for every one of these advanced search strategies, but when they do, it makes for a more powerful search.